Want to learn how to create beautiful units like this? Well, hit the subscribe button. Let's get into it. Okay, did I mention that I do not use wax? Yeah, I said I don't use wax. We're going to use this Kenra 19. This Kenra 19 is like a holding spray, somewhat like a spritz, but you don't need much of it, okay? And our technique is going to be to use the back of the comb. The back of the comb is where the magic happens at. Now my baby hair, it was already pre-molded and cut. I'll do a video if you guys want. Just make sure that you like this video, share this video, and comment on this video. Ooh, girl, look like that glove done been in the war. Wait till I introduce you guys to that melting mousse. Y'all gonna love it. So we only used a total of 3 products. Our Platinum Shine being our top #1 product. It's our thermal heat protectant. Then we use our Kenra 19 for our styling aid, which is going to give the hair some hold, but it's still going to be very soft and movable. We just want to go ahead and mist the hair. I love this spray, y'all, because it also helps to detangle. It has silkening agents in it. It's the bomb. So you want to start by sectioning the hair. You want to make sure you have some clips so you can clip the excess hair up out the way before you start the curl. So that you are not overusing the product, you just kind of want to spray as you go. That way the product won't get overly sticky. This product doesn't do that anyway. Usually you can keep going over it, but however, less is better. I'm smoothing over the top of each section before I start to curl it so that I can make sure that it's flat like I want it to be. So I like to use my wand curler, and notice how I allow it to sit for about 10 seconds at the end. I let it sit and I remove it with my metal rat tail comb. I just pull the curl away from the actual arm. Notice how I do my front curls going towards the back. You can create direction with your curls. We'll do some over directing, so we'll do more styling videos. That's why you want to make sure that you subscribe and like this page. So you're basically going to repeat this all the way up. You want to make sure that you do the rows, as we mentioned before. Smooth it out on the top, then go around your curls. Notice how I'm smoothing it out on the top so that I can make sure that it is flat as I want it to be. Now it's time to stage it. We want to make sure that we take it off and actually put it on a nice mannequin head. I'll put a link in the description that you can actually go to. You can use it on Amazon. That's where I get my mannequin heads from. They run about anywhere between about $57 and $65, but they're very nice. So you want to make sure that you stage your unit. Get you some chin straps from Amazon as well. I'll try to put the link in there for that, but that'll help to hold your mannequin head on. And I'll actually do a video on how or what I do to actually keep my wigs on. I got this cool little technique that you guys are gonna love. So look at my girl all staged up, ready to go. She's looking hot too, baby. So make sure that you follow me on IG at I am Wiggiona. That's Wiggiona. I am Wiggiona. And follow us on Facebook at Hair Rich Club. Check us out, y'all. And make sure you click that subscribe button.